Hi, I'm Tom from MarineMax Maryland on Kent Island, and today I'd like to show you this new arrival. It's a 2024 Scout 255 Dorado. Beautiful boat. Why don't you come on aboard? This 255 Dorado, starting in the stern here, we've got twin Mercury 200 engines, V6s, very smooth and very quiet. You see that we got swim platform extensions on either side. And for versatility, we have a removable ski tow, along with all the normal rod holders and cup holders in the back. We also have a recirculating bait well if you want to go fishing. Moving forward, I have all the seating out now so you can see what the lounge area looks like. You have a retracting aft-facing seat, and then of course the fold-down side and stern seats, which you can fold right back up when you need more room in the back for fishing or something. Moving forward on the starboard side, we've got a big cutting board, a sink, fresh water, and underneath we've got our slide-out Yeti cooler and some storage drawers. Moving further forward, we've got a large storage area down below in the bilge, and then we move up into the cockpit. We've got beautiful, this is called Macella upholstery, and we've got bolstered seating for the passengers and the captain, and nice armrests. Here at the dash, we've got an upgraded Garmin 10-inch display with the transducer with fish, so we can find our fish. You see we got the digital throttle and shift motors. The boat comes with an upgraded stereo by Fusion that has JBL audio speakers and a subwoofer. There's also a battery charging port down there on the starboard side. And port side, we have a very generous head for a 25-foot boat. You can see it's a pump-out toilet with a holding tank and a nice sink so you can wash up. Plenty of room in there. Has a mirror also. And then moving farther into the bow, we've got this very comfortable seating. This is a portable bow filler cushion. You can remove it if not desired. Got a lot of cup holders, rod holders up front, and the boat is equipped with a stainless steel anchor and windlass. With a power windlass, you can operate from the bow or from the dash. This is a beautiful boat, meant for everything. It's a jack of all trades. A great family boat, fishing, cruising, skiing, whatever you want to do with it. Perfect boat for our area. The shark gray hull, full hull color, really makes it stand out with those black engines. Come on down to MarineMax in Kent Island. I'd love to show you this boat and take you for a ride. My name's Tom.